Good morning, guys. I'm going to keep talking about scalping, and I'm not going to stop for the time being, guys. This is where the money is being made. I'm rendering a video right now for you guys to watch on Dogecoin. You should be scalping, guys. We have taken 6 trades, won all 6 for 4%, 24% profit in the last 17 days. We are currently managing a trade on Solana, and if this thing has any type of a market move back up, sorry guys, let me get us back to where we were. Let me get my little pen out. Anyways, push us over to the Coinbase account. Guys, we still have the healthiest Coinbase account we can find. Out of $150,000, we're at 75. Guys, this risk management strategy we're using with the scalping is doing really amazing. Okay, here's what I want to share with you guys. I've actually not sharing this with you guys in the video before, but here's a question I was just talking about with Josh. Some of you guys are like, okay, we have 13 coins that you guys can trade our scalping strategy with, okay? If you come over here to the front page, you guys go to 100% win rate outside of Luna. We've never lost a scalping trade. Watch this video. I show you guys 3 different ways to scalp this. Now, the best way to scalp crypto, the best way, guys, is this, because I'm going to teach you 2 methods in this video, which is going to open you guys up to any coin that you guys want to trade. Okay, watch this. You are looking for 2 things. And by the way, guys, this is not a bad setup on Bitcoin right now. You are looking for trend exhaustion to be in the bottom red section. You are looking for well money flow to be low. That's 1. That is number 2 confirmation. You are then going to the website and you are going to confirm with metrics, which is going to give you guys an incredible accuracy for entries. The emotional index ideally wants to be in the anxious or fearful section. That's 3 out of 3. We want to see trades in favor into the good long trade or great long trade section, which we're not currently there, to be honest. And we want to see wealth institutions buying, not selling like crazy like they are over here, okay? So those are the 5 confirmations. Again, if you guys go to the front page and you watch this video, everybody watch this today. Tradeconfident.io. Go on your phone or stop the video right now and go there. Watch this video. Guys, that same strategy is how we've literally come over here and we've implemented those exact same principles, and we've gone 122 wins and 1 loss, highest win rate recorded ever in crypto that we can find. Okay, let me now open this up to you guys so you can trade the top 100 coins or as many as you want. Here's the deal. We don't have metrics for all the coins. We have them for the main top ones. We have them for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, ADA, Solana, VET, Matic, DOT, Link, EOS, Mana, AVAX, and we just added Ape yesterday, and we have Sheep. All right. If you guys don't see your favorite coin there, here's how you guys can do this. I want to choose a coin that you guys, like, we don't even have metrics for. Let's do XLM. Okay, let's do XLM USD. This, for example, if you guys want to trade this. Let's go to Coinbase for fun. Here is the beauty, guys, of having the indicators. The indicators are going to work on any, guys, they're going to work on any Forex, literally, I said that right, Forex pair, stocks, cryptos, indices, commodities, metals. It does not matter. They're going to work. Here's the deal. Simplified down, this is what you guys want to be looking for. When trend exhaustion is low in the bottom red section here, sorry, let me get the bottom red section, down here, and down here, and over here as well as over here, you guys are looking for entries. Now, the confirmation is, do you see the well money flow low during these periods as well? If you do, you guys are looking for only 4% scalp. 4%. Okay, let me explain to you guys why 4% is so important. I've gone through and we've literally pulled the data of what structures do in a downtrend and an uptrend, but more importantly, a downtrend. Who cares about an uptrend? Everyone's going to make money in an uptrend. It's the downtrend reversals you need to be watching for. The average reversal that we could find in the market that would keep you guys safe on the 4-hour was a 3 to 4% scalp. I already did the math, guys. Literally, it was so ridiculously tedious, but I'm glad I did it because it's making people a lot of money. So here's the thing. Trend exhaustion in the bottom red section. Obviously, this moved up here to a high, and you guys, it was like 27%. Can you scalp for 4%? Yes, you can. Trend exhaustion was low over here. I want to pull the exact candle wick value. It's down here on this red candle. Even a move up here is 6%. Again, guys, I've done the math. 3 to 4% max, you guys are looking for scalping trades. And then you're coming over here, you're going to look over here for trend exhaustion to be low. Follow my cursors. We're not going to cherry pick any of this. We did not get in at the bottom. You got in over here on this candle. Looking for 4%. There's 4%. And moved up a total of 25. Okay, now you guys are seeing another trade setup right now that you are looking, that you could be getting into. All right. Follow me on this next part because I don't want to make this complicated, but I'm going to try to make this really simple. Those of you guys who are getting into these coins, again, you're only looking for that 4%. I highly recommend you guys use risk management on these trades, okay? What you want to be doing is using some type of buy limits to buy insurance. Here's the simplest way to look at this if you guys don't have the metrics. We have this all on the website perfectly, literally guys, and I mean perfectly, separated out for you guys so you can use buy limits at exact prices. But if you don't have those and you're trading other coins, do this. What I want you guys to do on the 4 hour is just look for strong structures of support. You've got a support here and you've got a support here. I want you to find 2 strong structures of supports on the 4 hour time frame. So if you guys enter in right now, let's say you have $1,000 and you enter into the market right now at $333 as a market order, you are then going to put 333, sorry, that was a terrible line, 333 here and 333 here. This will give you guys risk management in case the market moves down. If your first buy limit is hit, your break-even entry is going to go here. If your second buy limit is hit, your break-even entry is going to move here. By the way, guys, here's a calculator you can use to calculate your break-even entry. Come down to resources on our website, tradeconfident.io. Click this link right here. You guys can all download a calculator. It's for our members, okay? Make sure you guys are signed up. Once you have a membership, you access all of this, okay? Place your market order price in. If your first buy limit gets hit, put your price here and the amount you invested. If your second buy limit, or if you guys want to get, really safe with your trade and literally probably never lose trades again, put in a fourth buy limit. And when it gets hit, start putting the money over here. This will calculate exactly how many coins you own and will give you guys the exact break-even entry. You take your break-even entry, you times it by 1.04, and that is how you guys find your take profit. Let me say that again so to make this really simple. Everybody looking to get into XLM this morning, you are looking at the price here currently. We're at 13.8. That's the best way to call it. So 0.138. I was going from decimal right. 0.138 times 1.04. You guys are looking for a take profit at 14.35. Okay? 0.1435 is all you guys are looking for. That's all you're looking to scalp. And then put a buy limit here and put a buy limit here. Okay, let me keep showing this to you guys. I want to show you guys on stuff that we don't have metrics for because this opens up a big range to you guys. Let's pick another coin that we don't have on the website at the moment. Let me just think. The graph, GRT. I didn't pre-plan any of this, guys. I'm just throwing some random stuff out here. Okay. So the graph, same thing. You guys are looking for trend exhaustion to be low, and you're looking for it to be low. Not as many setups, to be honest, guys, on the graph over here, but still, when these are low over here, you're looking to scalp the markets for 3 to 4%. I'm pretty sure you guys could have gotten 3 to 4% out of this. That's about a 15% move there. Looking at this over here, price range, trend exhaustion low, well money flows low. Yes, we ended up seeing a move back up. You don't even need 14%. Like 4% was way back over here. You could have gotten this just off that little move. Do you guys remember what I said in the beginning of the video? I've done the math already. If this kept heading down, the market at least moved 4%. I'm giving you the secrets, guys. Come on. 4%. That's what you should be looking for on all of cryptos for scalping on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, where's the next trade setup? You're going to look for trend exhaustion to be low, and then it's going to start moving back up. Let me show you guys how to set up an alert over here. Go to the alert panel, go to the plus, come over here, and you guys click trend exhaustion. Click watch for pump, not watch for drop. Watch for drop will give you guys an alert when the white line is in this top red section. You want to watch for pump. Go once per bar close, go watch for pump, and then I want you guys to do this. Just go over here and go GRT, or whatever trade you guys want to do. I do want to make this point real quick because I can hear people, emailing already on this video. I'll be honest, guys, using our metrics are going to keep you a whole lot safer, and you are going to win more trades if you use our metrics, period. Because the confirmation we use over here is pretty insane. You guys are probably going to see just a little bit, I don't even want to use this word because people aren't going to like it, but a little bit more of a struggle, maybe, potentially, with just using the indicators. But still, I'm showing you guys they're going to work. If you guys use our membership over here and you use the metrics like I showed in the beginning of the video, just pay this, guys. You'll make this money back. I'm confident. A guy already took $150. He did use leverage, being honest. He took $150, made $3,000 already with our indicators. This guy's doing thousands of dollars a month and he made $5,000 in a single week. Can you pay for the membership, guys? Yes, you can, all right? So coming back over here, GRT. When that trend exhaustion hits the bottom red section, you guys are going to get an alert now because I just showed you how to set that up. And then look for this. If you guys want to come over here, set up alerts on like the top 100 cryptocurrencies and watch for trend exhaustion to be in the bottom right section, you guys will then have a bot that literally just tells you the best trade setups. You guys want to do this again? Let's do one more coin and then I'll end this video. Trying to think of one that's just like super random that we don't even have metrics for. Let me think. Tron. Let's do Tron. Actually, let's do like sand. I think a lot of people like sand for some reason. I understand. It's a good coin. Let me show you guys sand. I have not pre-planned any of this. I just want to show you guys these structures. Trend exhaustion low, well money flow low, the market moved back up. Trend exhaustion hit the bottom red section, well money flows low, you guys made money back up over here. Okay, you're looking to get into the markets over here on this drop right now, and this is a great place to look. Let me show this to you guys with percentages. Looking at trend exhaustion low, can you get 3 to 4% out of a 15% jump? Yes, everybody can. Looking at this over here, trend exhaustion low, starting to move up, 18%. Guys, we are in a ranging market. This is the time to be scalping. Is it harder to scalp when the market's just tanking? Yes, everybody knows that. But it's why I'm hounding you guys with YouTube videos lately saying, come on, you need to be scalping, guys. This is where the money is being made. Guys, looking at over here, like getting into, even at the bottom section here, looking at this as a move up, it rebounded. Again, I've done the math, at least 3 to 4% on the 4-hour time frame. You guys all made your money, even though there was drawdown. Okay, coming back over here, looking at this price range, trend exhaustion low over here, you all made your 3 to 4% in these markets. You guys did it again over here. So when I talk about the compound interest you're looking at over here, it's 4% over and over and over and over and over and over and over. 4%, guys, adds up. Even if you're using 2 buy limits, basically 2 buy limits in one market order is 33% into each of those. 4% on 33% of your account is still ridiculous, guys. You're going to blow away the S&P 500, okay? So I'm just telling this to you guys because this is where the money is being made. Go over to our website or in the description, get the indicators. They are 82% off, okay? And you guys are going to get all of our indicators. Here's the 2 that I've been talking about on the whole video. The trend exhaustion, the price from money flow. These are the ones you guys need. I'm going to just give you guys 6 other ridiculously awesome indicators, 2 Forex indicators, 1 pressure gauge indicator that will blow you guys away if you understand how to use that to time market explosions. All of these indicators are going to be yours. They're yours, okay? 82% off, lifetime access, one-time purchase, source codes to everything. I'm pushing this strong, and that's why I'm being strong in these videos, guys, because this is where the money is made, and it's getting in now. With the market so low, I don't think this market's going to head down any further. So because we see this market so low already, and we're looking at coins like this that are at pre-pump levels, guys, they're at pre-pump levels, this is where you should be making all the money. And a lot of you guys, look, let's just be honest, a lot of people, you guys aren't making new money. All of us, we're trying to recover from the losses we've already taken. New money that's never been into crypto before, you guys are getting the best of the best. Seriously, if you've never invested money and you're brand new and you guys are young and you're just getting into crypto, oh my gosh, put money in. You guys are probably going to do ridiculously amazing. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor. Please consult an advisor, but I think you'll do amazing if you put money in. That is how you guys are scalping these markets on the 4-hour time frame. The indicators are in the description. The membership, make sure you guys are snagging this. You'll get access to all the whale metrics, the Telegram channel for entries and exits that I call, all the masterclasses, the community chat, and I'll go live with you guys every single month. I'll go live with you, do an open Q&A session. So guys, that is how you use our indicators on any crypto you want to make profit. We are currently managing a Solana trade, which was the last official call that we made on this channel. If we win that, guys, that'll be a total of 28% we've called out on this channel here since May 18th. In the last 17 days, you guys have made 24% with this exact strategy that I showed you. It is time to be scalping. Get those indicators, guys, in the description. Set them up. Get the bundle pack. It's the best deal, and you guys can enjoy the profits. I love you guys. I'll see you later. Snag it and enjoy the profits. Bye, guys.